বসে আছি। কি করছো? শরীর ঠিক আছে? ওষুধ খাচ্ছ? আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। So hello guys, welcome to another live. Today I will try to scalp the market live. I will try to find some scalp setups in small time frame and we'll trade based on that. So let's just quickly open the trading view, liquidity heat map. Let's just quickly check the liquidity before I start. So BTC, lots of liquidity present around this zone. Even if I see, so this zone and that's 69k, it's the zone. So I'll wait for the triggers, either a pump towards this zone or a down towards this zone. Then I will took positions based on that. Now let's just see the chart in quickly. So that is our previous BTC setup that I took yesterday. For now our stops are at entry, so you guys can close it here or you guys can hold it, it's up to you. But stops are risk free now, and my targets, as I already mentioned before, it's around 9.2k. Looking at the right now BTC 30-minute charts, it's kind of looking bullish to me. So I hope to BTC to make a move towards this zone, then again down here, retest and pump. So something like this I'm expecting on BTC. For now our trade from yesterday is still running. Our entry was at 66.7k and our stop loss was at 65k, but our trade is now running risk free as I moved the stop loss to entry. And let's check on the ENA setup I had yesterday. ENA already took TP1 around here and now it's back to entry. Also it broke the trend line. Let me check in the 4 hour. Yeah, it broke the trend line around here. Still it's at the support, but I would like to wait for, as you can see the last forward candle didn't close below, so I will wait for a proper forward candle close below the trend line or below the 0.1184 before taking any shot. For now I will wait on it. So let's do scalping in ETH. Let's do some scalp. Let me remove all of this and open 15-minute time frame chart. Let's just close this and let's just keep the 9 and 12. Though I don't scalp a lot, but I will try a little around today here. Okay, so let's take zone around here. Next zone around here. So let's see if the 5 minute candle can hold this level or not. If it hold, then we'll go for a quick long scalp. Right now I'm watching. If it closed above, then we'll do a quick scalp. Target will be there. And 0.5% SL, something 1.3 hour setup. But let's wait for the 5 minute candle closing. If anybody have any question, you can ask me. I will mostly do scalping today. No swing, no nothing. Just quick scalps. Okay, let's keep the TP around here. Okay. I will wait until the 5 minute candle close. Thirty seconds to go. So guys, anyone wanna enter in ETH long, you can. It says quick scalp with small stop loss. The stop loss is 1970, and so that is a quick scalp. You guys can enter. The trade is on. Quick scalp on 5 minute time frame on ETH. I'm trying here. If anybody wanna risk small, because scalping are a bit risky than the swing ones. If anybody wanna risk a bit, you can go here. Our first target would be this around 2009, and our final target would be 2057 around there. Also, let me check a bit on 1 hour. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's go, guys. Trade is on. I'm checking 15 minutes. It also closed above the 9 EMA. Let's see how it goes. Again, I'm repeating, the stop loss is at 1970, and our first target around 2007, and our final target around 2038. If anybody wanna enter, you can. Risk small amount. Stop loss is also around 0.838%. Nothing big. Let's go, guys. Quickly write it in the chat box if anybody in this trade. Quickly write it in the chat box. If anybody taking this trade, is anybody in with me with this trade. 3 minute also looking pretty good. You can see it broke out here, retested, and it's pumping. Stop loss is pretty low, and you guys can always enter. Again, I'm repeating, the stop loss is at 1970 and our first. Let me mark the TP area. Close 50% around this zone, and final TP around this 2 degree period. Let's go. Is anybody in this trade with me? Is there anybody in this trade with me? Please write it in the chat box. Or if you have any question, or if you have anything to chat, you want me to chat, you can always write it in the chat box and I will do it without any hesitation. Do you want me to chat anything? You can write it always in the chat box. Or you have any question regarding the trading, or you have question regarding anything, you can also ask me in the chat always. Okay. I will only close the trade early if I see any candle closing back below the our mentioned support resistance area, but for now I am holding this trade. Let's see. And also guys, I will provide swing setups in our group or in my X, but for the scalp I will prefer the live stream. Right now I'm holding a ETA scalp long. Let's see. Let's check some other coin also, BTC, if it giving us any hint or not. Okay, BTC is it is kind of bearish. Let's see. I am risking very small, on scalp. Even if you guys are taking, please risk small if you want, because scalping are a bit risky than the swing setups, because in small time frame there are lots of manipulation that goes through. So I would recommend you to risk a small amount. For now I'm holding this trade. Let me check any other. previous 1 hour candle close was pretty much bullish for me. I hope at least ETH retests the 2009 area from here before coming down. Let's quickly chart until unless the USD dominance. Even USD dominance on a pump, it has to retest, I think, below, because the breakout from there is not that strong. So I'm expecting dominance to dump a bit around here, then pump. Retest, then pump. The fuck this shit. For now, only ETH long setup I am taking here. No more setup as of now, because today also there is news, so I will avoid the swing ones today. We also had the OP long setup, which I closed at entry because today is news and I don't want to risk any big on any news day. So just taking a small scalp on ETH here. Our stop loss is at 1970, our first target is 2009, and our final target is at 2008. So that is my targets. Let's see how it goes. My girlfriend is saying me to change the YouTube channel cover. I think it's pretty much romantic cover. That's my love for her. She can't understand that. That's my love for her. That's why I kept that cover photo in my channel. She is not understanding, guys. Please understand him. Tell Rebel State that the cover photo in my channel is beautiful. Please tell her. Lots of liquidity around 1926, 1941. not good. Let's see if it is candle close. For now I'm holding. If it is candle close below 1985, I will close it early. Also it's pretty small SL, so it won't affect that much. Let's see how it goes. The structure, though there is liquidity below, still the structure here is bullish for me for looking a small pump. Just give me the first target, I will close it. Just give me 1 hour around here. Just give me 1 hour, I will close it. Let's check. It's pretty much low range here. Even if I see here, that's a pretty big resistance area to break for this one. So if any 4-hour candle close up this, then can go for a long, but for now at the resistance. RSI is also been. Let's see what happened to our ETH. Just close below the 1982. This level, I will close it. For now, it's taking support from the EMA. Again, I'm repeating, guys, the scalps are risky as always, so even if you are in this trade, I would recommend you to risk low. For now, I'm holding, but I can close anytime I want. I will update though. Let's see how it react around this zone. This is reacting. Okay. 5 minute candle close below and I'll close it, taking around 0.3 loss, but I think I should focus more on the swing ones rather than the scalping. What happening to gold? Damn. Kite, I also will wait to retest around this trend line, and I will not touch it before that. Candle close below this and I will close the trade, but as of now it's still holding. I think I will hold this ETH trade as of now. Even if SL will hit, it will hit. Nothing to worry. It's just a small SL. I will give any swing setup soon on the after US market open, as there's still time to open the US market. So I'm as of now holding this ETH trade for a quick scalp. Let's see. Pepe, I think Pepe is looking good. Let's see. This is the zone. This is a trend line. So plan for Pepe. Something like this, or even market gives a false breakdown, then the safe entry would be this. You guys can put limit on Pepe at here. Stop loss around here. So if you wanna put limit on Pepe, make sure you do your entry around 3856 and SL around 3652. Let's see what about it is. Even if it is on to dump, it will also retest something around here. So it should at least give us a 1 hour from here. This and we'll see how it goes or how it plays out. Just give me a minute, I'm coming right away. 1 minute. Hello, hello, hello. Damn, it is making a god candle. Come on, let's pump it to 2000 at least. Okay, guys, I'm closing the ETH trade around 0.2 or I guess. I'm closing it here as it's failing to hold above, so I'm closing this trade here. We'll wait for better entry or better swing setups. Close it, don't hold as of now. The market is looking to fall. I think BTC gonna BTC also close in profit if you guys still holding. If anybody wanna put a limit on BTC, then if anybody wanna put a limit on BTC, then you guys can do it around this zone. So my limit would be this. stop loss. I will put a 3% stop loss on it. So that would be our next trade on BTC. I am giving a limit around 65.7k, and our second entry around 65k. Target would be this zone first, then if BTC dominance reclaim the box, then it can go higher, but for now it's below. That's why I was looking for long in it is, but anyway it broke down, so I happily exited the trade. It also kind of made a head and shoulder pattern here. Let's wait for the 1 hour candle close. It kind of made a head and shoulder here. Let me show it to you. Let's the candle close, then we'll enter if any possible short setup. For now, I'm waiting for the candle close. If the candle close below, I will enter this short. Okay, I'm entering here. I am entering in the ETH FI short, and first target around this, and our final target around this. Let's just post it on X. First target around 4595 for 1 hour, and final target around 0.4253. So this is the only trade as of now I'm watching, and I will update it on the group, but as of now I'm holding it. The entry around 0.4718, stop loss 0.4886, and TP is 0.4595 and 0.4253. I think it's 1 hour point. No, it's not. I will update the TP on the group. So this is it for today, guys. This ETGFI is now running. I will not enter any trade as there's also news. So this is it for today. I will also do another stream. I think it's not possible today, but I will try to do it tomorrow at the same time when the US market opens. So take care, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and share my video. So that's it.